This short tutorial shows you how to get Halloween sound effects, like this,
You kids better get the hell off my yard!
for virtual DJ. This section over here is where you can find your DJ samples or DJ drops. As you can see, I have a few samples but I don't have the Halloween pack just yet. We will use the virtual DJ software itself for this download, so no need to go to a website. Before we begin, just make sure you're connected to the internet. Now open the settings area, which is this little icon at the top right corner. Head over to the Extensions tab. Select Samples at the top and this will give you a wide array of samples you can install. I'm just going to use search, and key in the word, Halloween. Now all you need to do is click on Install, and the samples should be automatically added to your sampler. Please give us a like if you found this tutorial helpful. Share the video with a friend and don't forget to subscribe for more DJ content.